Your love for Razzie. I feel like yeah, come on with the idea more. And one, you for the real. And no about how I acquire you, Mira, when you are doctor. As a fool, so the moment dear moo, you know, more from my son, one of my that say I'm on top of woman don't come from. Not dear, why you don't know, let us move from my one a year, but say, if you for the first say, you for the but say, yes,
Yama Yahefo Akwaba, and a year Ukia the 10th day in the month of June 2020. I said that kasi ena yadema your boss na obasa say oboy ho ban na ade pakin asundue mu na yekọ eba na etwa say yada na say yatra si sinu bibre ena ason say yehwase na itimi esinupin samu a ekoso ewo oman Ghana enyabotre transie na edomosiko na yepenes mu sibre say de be oman no ebetumi atumpon hyene so se efi sabra kopum se sextet bi bono yene na edi juma se dakase enko emfa emma ye past sponsors God's Way Casket asafo na omwo o se fun adaka o de be si o de hye de papa no makachi na e wasanso na Muhiz Herbal Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Ababiu ono so asedakase pa na ye de emma no se ba bibidro mudia wadokro mu pa world winner Dr. Muhammad Isa Baby Kumasi Udiu Angmaso de Wayabra Ho and a doctor Wamidi edit say Mike Shannon so show live on YouTube so on Facebook so no ubetimi akache live on YouTube no Sam Dakus TV and then on Facebook Kumawood TV obe like no wa share na awfonso etimi enyabia share drop your comment ibenyamre na yetimi akenkan edit amount there are a lot of issues ekoso ewo oman Ghana and then ukopemu Western Regional Disco no of traditional councillor disco etumi abodwa kese pa etwanwan aye nima bebre akanche de atia NPP manyoku no adan ya omo se NPP manyoku no mabunu bi wo ha said no enimu etwifom disco no Western Regional nya de se eso enti nei they have banned the NPP in campaigning in their traditional area ebenyamre na yakona nanom ahakodi enkomo NPP primary still no ano the issues no egusu a ekoso odum say in about 65 seats and incumbent wo ho a omo assign unopposed and so and preparation towards the 20th June 20th June parliamentary elections no ehonkomo so ewa ha and the flag raising ceremony of the NDC 28 years anniversary no eba so His Excellency the former president and the leader of the NDC John Dramani Mahama ojesin pi so kasa na the Ghana man penda da eka and say electoral commission enema omo ya omo ka eka NDC for ka omo ntie no omo de omo tena ase me ato badodo na amomo a ana so mo lusu lesson bibiro Ghana ase mo agyatun na o ka te Ghana fo nyina say yanka sache an electoral commission omo nto mo niema yi a 2020 December 7th elections no yakoto aba no na anya French mu a NDC for ntiase ne ntiase china ase ne sen e no person kire e bodo masiko na yatumi adi eno so eho enkomo wonim se enra na apostle kwabena ejeyi a ono no enkane na obom paye pa e de ma ompani a o tekonwa so yi nsem bi o kan ya na nsem pata enam so ama police for kwache no a e de no chorus na ebia no na ya reminder na nsem apa no wo konso no na ya se wi bi esan esen botum mo nsem bebre benyamre near the home enkom. The same on Electoral Commission of Ghana and the Parliament. It's more modern. Now in the CI 126 no. It's me. I'm an right. Constitutional instrument and legislative instrument. 106 against 96. There's a difference of 10. And a course one. Menoka say no. The green light has been given to the Electoral Commission of Ghana by the Ghana Parliament. Say ECB me akoso na why a new voter register. Ehun komo benyamre na yedi na ready to him say 101 concerned university lecturers. I say said the name AC chrono. Omu say ye trading hofra e de basabasa eba into Electoral Commission and you old voter register na ɔmfa ɛnyɛ exercise no na sɛ yɛmfa nkɔto aba no ɛno nso ho nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ fie bɛnyammerɛ na yɛtumi adi ɔnom sɛ Imani Ghana Franklin Kudo ne other civil societies nso ɛkasa ɛde tia the compilation of the new voter register ebenyammerɛ na yɛde ho nkɔmmɔ ɛnra anadwo ɛna ɛbɛtɔ dwa sɛ apolisifoɔ mo santoma ntam ha ɔmo sɛ robbers bi a ɔmo ɛdi dwumabɔne ɛwɔ kuro mu ɔmo ne bi mu akɔdi ahyia mu exchange of fires anaasɛ bullet anaa guns ama mene ka sɛ no mmienu akorɔmfoɔ no ata no ɛwɔ nseɛ do a posini baako nso ɛpere a emu ɔden paa ɛno ɛna ɔmo ka sɛ woyɛ herbalist woyɛ health center anaasɛ ebi a wo biara no nso obi etu aka no abɛda wakakye a inform the police service na ɔmo make the necessary arrest ɛno nso ebinyammerɛ na yɛtumi abɔbɔ so ɛwɔ fie abɛrɛ nnɛ yɛnhyɛm no yɛ mmienu yɛgyina so paa di nkɔmmɔ no ɛyɛ mmienu one on the compilation of new voter register the go ahead by the Ghana's parliament ɛne matters arising ebedi ho nkɔmmɔ saa nso ɛna ebinyammerɛ na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ nso on COVID-19 ne the Ghana Medical Association na bɛto gya sɛdeɛ nipa dodoɔ no an ɛnya yareɛ no ɛyɛ worrying paa ɛha atwɛn nti yɛnyɛ na yɛnyɛ ho ebibi ɛno sɛ bɛhwɛ ne yɛde ho nkɔmmɔ akra na no sɛ NIA National Identification Authority ɔmo ahyɛ ase a ɔmo twɛ mu din a ɔmo nsa nka cars no ɔmo kyɛ cars no ɛtumi ɛde ama wɔn na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nso sɛ nyame ɛyɛ adom a sɛ Ghanafoɔ tɔm on December 7th na on January 7th ɔbɛma mpanin a nurses and teacher training allowances no deɛ mpanin no kɔfɔ de baayɛ no ɔntwam ɔmo na wɔ hɔ saa na waboa ayɛ ne kakra saa kɔpem so obi amarigeti under the students loan fund ɔgye nkyerɛ no fambra na ɛnya mmerɛ ɛnkenkan ɛmfa ɛma wo woyɛ screen ani abom sɛ numbers no ɛgu screen ani wɔde ana fambra na ɛnya mmerɛ kenkan ɛmfa ɛma wo yɛntwɛ ho mmara sɛ si a yɛba a ɔmdafoɔ no atena ase ɛbɛnya mmerɛ na yɛsi no pi ɛwɔ ha
African movies mismani je ho pa ti se ugodru fie ko na ne dwuma bi adi na wani a utimi hwa na je se o de afema da ko na agya ho ato wadwenwe so kakra ma okay kuma TV die o so obi a hwe ho
na advert bi awoso watene nka na
matene nka o so obi a de ne ho kodwo kuma TV utimi o so bi na ato ho asano kakra
ye dance pa mi show mi TV na ho na me deto Ghanaian films no mo yi ni nti Kumawu TV yania ye die nie
na
apa
na wo hu awoso advert na abaso na no so de na wo kafa ho
ekwa yie pa Kumawu didi asama nso kra me baketo no wo so ya no wo de ato ho ti ye de edura nwumre no a ne ye hwe
ye dance pa
Kumawu kra me hwe Mesi muti me ye fom sa me ne me menya ho ne ye hwe fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma ne nwa ne ye hwa because me hwe na nopa awia me tifia me hwe anwumre me hwe eti no me de fom sa ne de Ghana fom sa de me hwe papa kan ne ye fe de say Jollof Razimi. Everywhere. Yeah, Kuba with the Yanni Mo. And one, you for the Yanro. And no about how I acquire you, Mira, when you are doctor. As a fool, so the Momonia, the Moo, you know, more from my son, one of my. That say I'm on top of woman don't conform. Not dear, my you know, letters, move from my one I ever say. If you for the no, first say, you for the other, say, it's Move my neighbor now said the my auntie, now I don't drive your first salad for my dear Sikana. And I say, I'm my auntie, smoke catcher and I say, obviously, come my first salad. Obviously, come my another, say, God, I hear from Sonana, I see I don't just Kakara. It's woman, no, and follow you.
Yeah, that's a pa. Yaba, a man, Sunny, Yania, Diemo. Kumawu TV amansane yani aye diemo Kumawu TV papa
Kumawu TV na ade manage unse Ghana movie mo yiri saa de ababere wa menye ko duru fie na me bo nsuo na menye didi wi a me da konwa no mu saa na yesa me hwa na madwendwen nya na so ate mo ya ade nemum de yini de ana mani ho ye fa say ha de mso misa pense markets for ya no mo ye exercise ni ade no o dem awoso yes awoso no o dem
right yema abusuafo akwaba emfa emra Sinopi on Kumawu TV channel so say adwen channel 0543 596070 WhatsApp o de bebe nyamre nya kenkan ma ko Facebook nso abetimi adrop comment ho na ye nyamre etimi akenkan e de ama I remember we Jaffa Kwaba na afi yen hye nkohwehwe no ase ewu efie ha Adams Mohammed acting Ashanti Regional Communication Secretary edema PNC amanyuku no Adams Akaba
ya minia
bia wako de
orade ne mo mpaibo na me adu bia da boko
this is PNC no mo team A na team B ana mo atik mo de ho e na mo Bernard Moda mo so de ho
minia my fa konya so achia ya hwefo PNC enim team A and any team B.
Okay.
PNC a political party. Na sebi ubo ni pa mienu bi din. Na me hwese nka abebo a leader Edward Mahama. Because on na say party ni kuta no. Because untimi mbo leader din unja leader honko bo sebi omo a
national chairman
yakoto aba na yato aba wi omo dibre no afiri omo nsa bise wo hwe atiki ne monana there is a perception say omo no we edi no ho kwa ha we di no ba ha
okay
na atiki de or suspended secretary ma PNC so we are recently issues be by electoral commission meeting bi a say opebu we bi du copy as e ko fan say be by and the PNC there amanyoko a yenim say we team A and I yenim say we team B
okay
PNC there
what does it PNC
PNC
ambassador at large
where adwuma oya adwuma na adwuma ne there ogusu a wo ye menka ne sa bi say position e de man ni me da minti bi da say amaya creative bi there ambassador at large me hu bi da mum
okay
but minim say president or nhihye bi a ogina so nti o de ti sa ambassador at large ne man
oya adwuma good many information say all regional secretaries a meeting at Ashanti Region PNC I didn't know
Unia meka say kakra bi na mpese me bi room as a PNC as a political party emede say especially Kumawu TV more organize here because every time biano na o share most of the programs are we na MPP MDC and the make no my secretary invited me and I was like say oh I was here Kumawu da baso because omo bo am democracy ultimate because say ye base ye share say Ghana be develop here ye MPP na NDC connect in Ghana e be na ni na so gina media no omo na mo mutu e be bo ama democracy ultimate adwuma o man PNC secretaries in Asia on the basis of say CCI be constituency elections
okay
you go to America say nanka almost done na due to COVID-19 into suspending nema kakra nti show mu shey na ye hwe kwan a ye be fa so a e be wi aba region na kempa na akọ national said the be ye be ye nema ntem
all within 6 months to get your flag bearer by campaign wow when I see na some bit me aya honorable Bernard Techi Ajiman deputy youth organizer at the ma secretary east Apija secretary east and then communication team member what about Kwaba so that's assembly member na say dey flu second team I know electoral area be the Wuta Tabre electoral area idini mu du pa nkrumi no dawu na Tabre electoral area ni na wa secretary secretary south
district is secretary south
okay secretary south district capital any Aguna okay ahoboko there se mo hona nkansa bodu won oko on post na sa dem de yelo ya mo anya de obi anya na ajo so ba ma fa forms na ansie
there be offense obi anya na because obi ni ma wa ya wan kasa no put me money Tina, Oba, just a friend of Queen of Project, because one human.
And yet, Nana budget fee, so any budget fee or so. Where so contest here, or your phones to be undone. I know one man, and any interview already, or any budget fee. So, sir, what's my man the phones to be undone? So I don't know.
And if you're no one Casana, who are so good intention, whatever it was in your phone, don't so buy. Mamma, president of the house of the temple, when you.
Okay. And our phones are available.
Not something available.
Navy's in cancer word. Where's the unit?
Oh, what's the just a case? I say, MVP, I make us say, okay, we say, what year? Always be the vote in English.
Okay. On Obidia, no, or Mancrophus Kabudi, and allegedly females. What's a cover? You have a code here. Opposition, you there, so any president, any problem.
We are actually, the Ghana, my shows are also watching. Now, soon, okay. Then, Shepard, Osuya, Muscle, they become money. Ghana, money, the shows are that of us. If we are already 1 hour, Osuya, Ghana, we must say, okay, actually, opinion space.
Medical.
Operating to buy 1 hour will be over shell. In Mawa.
That's the position money brew. When you open.
You know what? Send the email said you know what kind of player.
And you're bad and you're stressful. People insulting you, saying all sort of things.
Say, if you are would be very dear, you want my only way. The first thing drink to ya, you have just one. When I'm pump more, we pump more back to you. Only bread, and eat my day. Problem of a wholesome mind. We eat one, no use one, no why they shout, no let the back for money. Because we such a whatever what it is. Come out with you. They don't post where I'm Jababu.
I know you're there.
National, the old Ghana, Beverly's Ghana, Manchester.
Okay. Okay.
Through the national organizer.
Okay.
That's why regional president.
Yeah.
Okay, the entire Santi region, all the villages. Yeah. Almost.
Who's no small?
Anyway, there's some. Because they did natural sir. Now for your bread and bread. You go here in also.
Yeah.
But if you ask who are you to
sure.
Now we are at that. You are watching.
One way they say time and I am called COVID-19, you're any man. Some of us need me receive a crack or credit union. There's a day every crown from I affect the municipal and I say if a few of us maybe you need to be
Jim Bolin, from 2018 coming on. Yeah, financial restructuring financial because the family because they look free that free another group right this year. Because after the bank the my friend and the side it is the normal free last year, last quarter of the last year. Everybody a normal is in the school power. Now you can see the global pandemic year about it. And I'm so by after you push baby. Because what should the very chain now? I said I make it across. Last one catch like the bottom I say. Now offering my partial collective partial. I will tell say the one make it better. But those are the school based in the 1 year. I'm not it's going to be because this is your school is loan. Now when you share school like they are building project, your Tobas school no run here, with your income, it is service no. This is how much okay. And yet in the Panama there is this group alone due to bank was a social gathering. There was no school in the capital. He has a bank manager who got illegal. He wanted to give them West of encouragement. Because we go out or willing.
Think of it me at you, but
in my mind, we know. Surprise, let me tell you the matter. School, it goes to school, affecting us. Surprise, salt.
okay.
Sometimes I come as a food, but the problem is senior school, also problem. And people test because of problem. See, a really nice one in fashion. The number of very now.
Yeah, I affect you on own business now. It's an affecting most. So far, cases I record of Ghana 10,201. That's a triple 9, it's about 10,201 with 48 deaths, 3,755 recoveries. You Ghana medical association are worried about this current situation. I didn't know as a cost through, but this is as you need a year for your and Sokaka. And
speaking last time, the bar, the first the bar was not enough 5,000.
yeah.
I told you, say, it will put 10,000. Because about a test now, we have more tests here. The problem is, as a medical formation, no more, I say, if you know, this COVID-19 also. Second year, one name, they Baghdad test, Corona test, or Ghana, that became 2 million. I say, but maybe a year one test, so the year we get see this COVID is no because I never second or when you go to the malaria test, the malaria case it is not for check
COVID-19.
Corona test it is in the whole issue. The Japan say I could have one this pandemic.
Okay.
The day once a year.
My Western region, na yini nkomo akra Western region. Ma many Mr. Joseph Amo, a spokesperson at the anonymous Twanya Budua ato MVP for so mo my campaign ho. Oramo oti anka ya mo adwo eba sinupiso.
Ya mu.
Odaroma bibia wako de.
Ya mi adom bibia boko.
We de ekoba na se na nanom yese mo Twanyan abodua se ma MVP for my campaign. Ewo ahanta disco ene ni areas they see here
yo me da fipi mamun dia mun fa da mako nya do na min cha wete fu nyina asema obe no onya beke oye onabu kujokum onye ni mo famanye bi onabu kujokum oye MVP onye nye nseti na MP wahyehyɛ nananom afoba ma aka hene gwa na ɔyɛ dɛn na ɔba ne dɛm dɛ ɛyi yare bebe yi ɔmampanyin Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne kɛsɛ ni mu na ɔyɛ Ghanafo kɛsɛ na ɔkɛdo obesi aspiti nkoko eduowɔtwe awɔtwe ama mensin yɛlɛ ɔnyi bi ama honi bi ɔyɛ asɛm papa nti yɛnya ne nkyerɛ dɛ aspiti no wɔde Anta West aka ho na ansa na this hospital bɛba na nananom nso yɛtwa namɔ na yɛhwɛ regional hospital na yɛyɛ ho asase 52 acres wɔ Anta West. To be precise, Abra Rubber Processing, Grell Rubber Processing Factory, or Wapimenim. Not so work at 52 acres. Now, Nimpano Jakuti Wumpa, former acting president of the House of Chiefs, Western Region of Fernando Kusiajaman. Inti Abra Adam in Semi Beno, or Bempo at the Chia or Paddy School. Okita 48 communities on his traditional area. This hospital, what to talk from there will hear Chicago that for PPEs. Now, or grantee the Miscan 6,500. Yalmani Biaba this school. ma binom wontumi na wontena nti ono so okaya won adoye che won ska 5000 or the toto ediban na de kama on won ban che ayarfo ona wonya dam yare be bi nti ni mu no wo bi se ndo ti chere ya nyame adum yenya hospital e ba kam no ka ho no de abanase no san so si bi de se nyimpa ku bi wo ho da wo bona o sa baso boda onye na na kwesi ajeman the 9th da Oka hospital once o did Oka hospital once even na ko Heart of Chiefs meeting why you let him no oda so mboja aka ma chama ko obese na chama no hospital something no ka na yadi ma ye we babu mpa ka de obi a osa enyizi na yeyi no one for man nti na kwesi ajeman dentu na ye yinu tim ye no ma hin na seman odoku na no for me wo so nimu what is saying ho ba ya no ndugom ye nyim kasa ye today o him small boy ono o ye deni ya o de hospital aba o bo NBC o man hin bi na bado o ara dem na yen politics we ko bia no only ye tell madam temtembi ochi ni ye hweyim de bi o wadam temi a wo kan on platform no no mata some sani audience or ya system they have denigrated our school, our big school. We good in say we good fi yan man ye criminal o man ye criminal apa no tam wo bego mewie yes ye be fi aje wo tam na fia me ye criminal me alba ma sa se abe campaign no onye ye jam o san de bo sum po obotabo constitution ni chere and let me quote extensively American Buffalo. If you read Article 270 plus 1 of the Constitution, it states among others that the chieftaincy institution together with the traditional councils as established by customary law and its usage is hereby guaranteed in the matter of working. My friend, I want to say, and I want to talk. Yen some then what was you doing?
Nana Darumo. Na say enyana mutwa ye no na enyina so no ne sen ensam mo kan na enyina mutwa enyana no ana.
Ati yen da be
enyana mutwa ye no. Ko say nana no abosomfo ene ensamanfo ye den e de emam.
Yes ahuba na oda che no ye mprema onu kodwokum na no mo fama no o meye campaign won ya tase do. When you need to tell them, or ye general watching, now, however, or the silent for in Naruba, now you go to 123. We have 123 communities in Atlanta West municipal area. And see, you do be account.
No, I'm ready to know what Adaruma. One more Mokikan Semno. Have you been able to identify them, say, yeah? Kwabna Anthony Kumi omo na kan asem no ana se mo hye dan woni kwakote omo kan asem no
mo pacho audio no woni tini wom ye there ye bubusu wona won ye to bia da we do me until we had no option than to resort to that
ade na wadar mo ade na ne mo ne omo kan asem no enimum na mo de fra manyoku NPP nyina asem mo me campaign e wa Hunter West Disco more oil yo kakran there. The action is against Kojokum and the campaign teaming. But Kojokum one MPP. When I there my yellow Chafra MPP nana. But the action specifically no against Kojokum na Kojokum no lawyer Kojokum no MP no asem no ka bi.
Oh yes. Ono no started. Say what's there? A quarter of my Gina, Quantan, winning him abo with Abubia, Yampin to be shitty.
Dinama, so mobile on the patch of what? Mobile say the above my bomb monana.
Mapata chewa what man chini ye.
Sɛ wɔn ba sɛ wɔn bɛ pa akyɛw a wɔn bɛ sɛ ɔnam kɔtɔ dwom na wɔn asɛ wɔn mfa nkyɛw wɔn a.
Enyo ya kasa ewie no ya hyɛ dɛ ya ma wɔn dapɛn ebie. If they do the needful, na nti bɔnde ɔbatobia no ɔno nti na mɛtɛnsifo kae dɛ so mumuyɛ nyi hu no bɔn no guane twa ho a wɔde kyɛ. Iya nti wotwa de wɔn ba ya hɔ.
MPP fo ɔmo wɔ Ahanta West ɔmo suban no ɛyɛ yi kakra na saa na ɔmo teɛ anaasɛ bi nsi da ɛdɛ di kan ɔmo dan so baabi adi sɛ ni.
Yɛn fɛ sa na nyo yɛn yɛ bi do. Yɛn yɛ bi da na sɛbe hu ɔnya hwɛ no odu baabi a ɔyɛ hwɛ. Yɛn tell mo wɔn fɛ yɛn nyim yɛ sampepa wɔn fɛ ntwitwu fam. No. The chieftaincy institution is a revered one.
Okay.
So we will not allow any individual for the sake of partisan politics to denigrate us. No, it will never happen.
Sure. Right. Nana yɛn n'ase mama na wɔtwe mmienu duru a yɛbɛsɛ ama ne abɛdi nkɔmɔ bɛhɛ sɛ ɔmo aba ɛkɔ akyɛw anaasɛ bi a ɔmo aso ayɛ den.
Mate yɛn de yɛ ayɛ do yɛgbɛ yɛn n'abo.
Right. Ebisafo me ne spokesperson ɛde ma nanamu ata nkonya ɔmo ɛwɔ Disco traditional area ɛno no wɔ Ahanta West ɛwɔ Western region ɛhɔ ɛna lawyer Kwadwo Kumi ɛyɛ member of parliament ɔmo sɛ nsɛm bi a nkorɔfo aka kyerɛ ɔmo hɔ na bibi po ayɛ wɔ hɔ no ɛbufu airtime ɛnso ani nti ɛne ɔmo abu nsa atwa nwan abudua sɛ ɔmo ma kwan ɛma MPP manyekuo no ɛnyɛ campaign bi a wɔ hɔ nti ne kura na contest ɛkɔ so no MPP ni kwan sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ campaign ɛwɔ hɔ nti sɛ ɔmo akɔpa kyɛw ansa na nananom ɛde bɛkyɛw a ɔmo ɛde akyɛw ɛno ho nkɔbɔ ɛne kɔdim manager for this one COVID-19 no na afei menku ne mu
the last time I share, I case one of the short time, they do 10,000. And now, he's here in Ioni. She now said, I really listen to people now. Before they go come on, see, I will be a bit soon. And I'm calling, this is actually see other part of the world now, especially the Americans and some part of the Europe. Look at the demonstration at Costco. So he said, this comedy.
And I said, I think Monday, no, National Security Form Cocochi, Apostle, Kabana, Usu Kran, so Bakupa, and I said, News Max. You see, I'm going home by. Now, you're more home by now, I didn't go on the Cocoa Sophie. Some of us be one, also the I most of by. Danger of life. Okay. Honorable, on the issue of COVID-19 cases. They say Ghana Medical Association say a costro. They are worried. Sabri so na yebi bia to mo say bit me 100 bit me asia na area dey. I'm also not worried.
So Mike, what I say? for now the people say you are aba any year back now and yeah there call the approaching because if you are a bit malaria and other yare everybody it means say be here happy me be musu so go sa but some now go sa sanitizer oko public place also show those masks na Ghana for say on the go mu za manfo area simply Ghana we even need that share among the before when you say this one and yare na background ya give us a
right when Adams
say Mike
yare na yesi ano but that still no ano kwa na ekosoro
say Mike make say Ghana for yare na da ho ni afa ne say agro na say Mike ko sha asati nya 58 cases recorded in Ghana and o man panyin me call lockdown na o he measures they call lockdown utimu sampa bibi koso o man mu asebi ato ebi ase yare bi aba e fe no COVID-19 a ede ehu ama sabi enipa se o hwe sa bre no ni 2 weeks lockdown na e wum no ene say na security no esiye serious sa omo boy ho ban say de yare ne entimi trend no na o hwe enne ayi lockdown na kriwa minya kameka say aban no ehihye no so say miemu biem fi say 58 cases na record here no measures say you put into place no e boa e papa eno kura na contact tracing na so far ya so yenya nipa 50,000 cases a report to here say dawa say eguso a ye hwehwe mu that test ni mu na ya edi mu je say record mu 10,000 no esi ame no kasi yenya contract tracing biem say ho dodo na say do ko hospital a na ye check ni ehun say no symptoms we there yare ni bi na echiwa ansa na record case na ka 50,000 cases no ho say yes ye nhye max ye ni su sanitizers ye wash ye nsa menu a ukọ public toilet a sa na mo abusa se bi ho aso odin aba say ye man panyimfo na ama se bi ye maame no mo ti dwom ene mo ton mo di dwa no ehun se yare no kura ni ho on say o hwe anamo ayetu say you record 10,000
yeah
there is no seriousness in say ye hwe say ye bobi bi hu ban
yare yefi
yare no
it has come to stay
say aya de bi say obi ebie na no a we say yare ni ye ba betina yare ni ye ba betina enti ye de ani ye hwe ye de ani atofo mo hwe say yare ni ye metina na
right sana head minister kan ye excellence so area could that enti se saare ye be fa
enti se yente Ghana medical association ye de na omo kafa yare no because you say abai up to measures say yemie nipa 100 enti mi enye programs na busa say I record the same ye be 100
but in all those things you need to observe all the protocols.
Yes, I'm not denying that fact but me see busa ho say see as measures say dey agu oyi as say yin e ka say ma me no mo kodwoma the thing say yare ni ho the omo fa ne say oh me dey max no kra me ho kire me na wo interview kra na tie bi mo omo so omo ho kire omo ade no mo ntimi ho me na say sim say yare ni ho
okay Adams yentwe homra ye ba ya beto aso na fi abedin komo on electoral commission and matters arising still messages no WhatsApp 0543 596 070 drop them yinyamre enkenka but see ya ba ye beto aso
Kumewood TV amansane yena yedimu
yititi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale koko osimami tiane kosokoto papon bidiane pike sa papa kumase 1 enra kra ne hu chene jo enso ye dai keep on watching Kumewood TV yeni aye diem yenso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye kek kraw
Kumewood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumewood TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
Hi, My name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawu TV. Kumawu TV, yeah, there.
TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu
Yo, Osekrom is like that, and it has to be that. Uchimu TV, edito television biya no wan hwe Kumawu TV dia. Ojo wa ha Chimu to ope good entertainment. And I said ya be mo ani age a masa. Mimi tuwe behwe ba bia Kumawu TV. It's like that, and it has to be that. Pressure free chiwa. But we didn't pressure.
Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu
Yami wonina enye Yesu no dia mame Yami wonina yanado Morocco Setechama dabodium emoja vidimu afusane Metwa yeito
Yensan ema abusuafo akwawa Yeguso ye din komo ye silupi fadwe nchane bra ni nyamre kenkan emfa ema 0543596070 egu screen ani wetena odi abantem ni nyamra kenkan ede ama. Now the Electoral Commission of Ghana has set the 30th of this month to begin the controversial, let me say, new voter register. Enra CI 126. I told you for Ajia to say Nadia, Electoral Commission can go ahead and compile a new voter register. Iman is here by Ghana for Bimo. Young boy Koto, Emeyenye. Some lecturers are omo universities and so say the AC and between Basabasaba, Dinka Omu Inyai. So we will say Kasa, and we quite an uncle in the car, Ama or Mino in the or Apostle for N7. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, to say I'm here now you got Twabano, now I'm your French, said the NDC for Henwa, and then and other some Batiasi and Batiasi. Honorable, my main Electoral Commission, compilation of new voter register, any oppositions are a woman. So, will you say, sir, I was say easy to go ahead now a new register now?
Mr. Mike, that's it. I come in Kwame Dia. Me for us to say a new voter register.
Okay.
If we say 2020, you say better about Dia. Say a new crano and Kebe limited registration, Beboa. Limited registration, and yet the same procedure, and the first why new voter register. Say at the same thing, 2020, you better about the same procedure, and be back up sunlight in Nipa Bebaho, Meboa. So, and this is 4 cases in the say, Yari into no. Any papa before so, and unti ye new voter register, and why any de kicker can have my area no acosro.
And only 1 out of 10.
Yes. Almost some more can say 2012 no voter register no credible, and unti yemfa and twaba, and no cry 2016, sorry. And on a NDP bar power. Chamon to me busa ubiasem. ɔse sɛ wɔ nkran frakra wo ba ɛna obi kyerɛ sɛ wo taa yi asɛ ɛkɔfɔm ana ɔyɛ brɛbrɛbrɛbrɛ ɛna ade bɛduru Kumase sɛ wode bɛduru Kumase na sɛ woduru Kumase a ɛti taa no wonhwɛ ho asɛm ɛnka ana saa ne tie ɛti 2016 no yɛka ho asɛm sɛ voter register no ɛnyɛ credible ɛnyɛ wohwɛ foreigners a ɛwɔ mu a evidence show aba sɛ foreigners ɛwɔ mu na nyame adom yɛde ato aba ɛno nti NPP awe ni nti ma yɛnyɛ ho adwuma ana ɛnisifoɔ ka ɛnto asom because sɛ de medika kan no sɛ wode wo kaa na aba a ɔsɛ wohwɛ ɛma fitani ɛyɛ ho adwuma ɛtu sɛ ɔsɛ ɔsesa no a ne kwa sɛ ɔsesa no na kyerɛ sɛ wode abanti no wɔsɛ akɔ pɔmpe no foforɔ na wonyɛ ne saa ma no nyɛ yi
ɔmo sɛ obi wa na ɛyɛ poncha nti sɛ ɛyɛ poncha no deɛ sɛ
poncha no wohwɛ na poncha
fixe
wohwɛ na
poncha the whole entire time
yes wohwɛ na poncha no ɛbɛsa akɔ so problem a wosesa tie ne nyinaa for wo safety nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛnya credible election ɛno nti ɛna electoral commission ɛse yɛnyɛ new voter register na electors no a ɔmo ka sɛ electors 100 Ghana menim sɛ public universities cry ɔbɛyɛ sɛ 6 asɛ wokyɛke electors no ɔmo boro 100 electors no ɔmo background ɛne sɛ yɛwɔ school mu yɛwɔ electors a ɔmo adjoin ne 10 ebi yɛ 10 reps ɛne adeade ebi yɛ patrons ne adeade ɛwɔ schools no nti electors no ɔmo kasa na ɔmo background ɛne sɛ ɛhinfa na ɔmo kasa free ba ɛndi sɛ electors ne se yare ne nti sɛ ɔmo de yare ne yɛ schools deɛ ɛne ɛsa deɛ a meme deɛ ɛnka mɛka sɛ ɛne nkɔmo mɛka ne sɛ 2020 yɛhwɛ yare ne nti because procedure yɛfa so kɔto aba no ɛno a ne yɛfa so akɔ registration no nti ɛne Ghana ma mo me resolve ne yɛnka sɛ 2020 no yare ne nti yɛnto aba yɛma fufu ado ɛsa ntena so John Mahama former president ogyina simpie so sɛ obi a ɔbɛka sɛ electoral commission nyɛ credible no na onim nea wɔka ɛnɛ deɛ na ɛsesa yɛ a it electoral commission anyɛ anto aba ne yie a anaasɛ anyɛ fa a ɔmo ɛbɛti asi kurom ɛdeɛ na ɔbɛyɛ enipadua na ɛsesa yɛ nhyarɔtɔ sɛ na wɔyɛ nneɛma toro kan na yɛyi ne firi wɔn a gyemensa baeɛ no ɛno na ama electoral commission credibility na asesa anaasɛ institution no na asesa anaasɛ Kufuor baeɛ no na the president wasesa electoral commission ni din anan staff ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛno a na ɛwɔ hɔ gye sɛ nipa mmiɛnsa pɛ ne ɛsa a wɔn wɔ mu nti ɛno na ama the whole entire electoral commission no asesa anan
but the decision of taking no sɛ dodoɔ no nso ne nye ho
dodoɔ no ne he ɛhenfo NDC foɔ Ghana ɛyɛ nyinaa yɛ deɛ Ghana nyɛ NDC foɔ Ghana
civil societies organizations ne bi mo
ɛhwan papa no mpo di sɛ Franklin Kudu asɛ ho ahwan Kudu Ghana obi anim sɛ oni credibility obi anim sɛ papa no asɛm wɔka nyinaa ɔyɛ bias papa no nsɛm ka nyinaa yɛ bias since NPP ɛbaa so from 7th January ebesi saa break papa no nka papa ɛmfa NPP ho deɛ papa no bɛka biara fa NPP ho biara no ɛnyɛ papa enti ɛdeɛ na ɔbɛka me deɛ me ma Ghana foɔ aso ate sɛ 2020 ansa deɛ bɛkɔ akɔto aba no nsuo to awia bo egya to voter register no yɛbɛyɛ foforɔ saa wɔsi ɛyɛ foforɔ si anyɛ foforɔ a ɛmoa yɛn
yɛanyɛ foforɔ ɛmoa yɛn His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nso sɛ yɛanhwɛ yi na yɛnya credible elections on December 7th ɛne si fɔ nte ase
credible na ɛne sɛn
sɛ ɛhyɛ aseɛ firi voter register yɛ
voter register yɛn ma party biara ɛde nipa ɛkɔtena hɔ nipa a ɔbɛ register wohwɛ na wɔnyɛ Ghana ni wohwɛ na onduru yi a wutimi challenge no eti wɔn mfa wɔn nkurɔfoɔ ɛkɔtena hɔ ana anaasɛ abato no sɛ bi yɛkɔto na Kufuor ado ɛyere dɛm yɛbɛto na bɔnten sɛ deɛ yɛto 2016 no a saa na yɛbɛto no eti ɔmampanyin John Mahama no mmea meka sɛ dɛm ihu ni sɛ ɛtɔkwa sɛ funu a na ato a ne akeka saa na tie ono ankasa no hu se 2020 no enema enkoye ma no because on hwe adwuma a omampani ekufo ado ye no a ono atimu say yes enkoye ma no ti o so de takashi esa de niema bi ebe ka ho say a ne ankoye ise ono obi kokon tokwa na wafa bo so wanfa bo na antokwa ni anko a entokwa ni formula so de bo bebo so de ne nsa ne bebo entokwa na mokun lessons ni eko sanity
but on Bernard Ajima obeka say so far utie commenter ever from nananom some religious leaders civil societies a good sign because the majority no agree say yenkonkoye ni voter register
majority na agree omo ba ni nyina omo keke ni nyina no ahwe omo background omo
pose no
omo pose mo hwe omo background obi say PNC for Bernard Mona Bernard Mona what say wo Ghana what say Bernard Mona aka asem papa afa kufu ado moda
but this is not kufu ado this is not about kufu ado this is about the destiny of our country and this is about a democracy so why would you
the enya say kufu ado asem na ye kan ba ye ka Ghana asem yes eno ne ye ka but me tro say omo kasa nyina hwe omo background ba bi omo free ba ense omo keka ahemfo ben ahemfo omo wo he binim say ahemfo a yaju omo tu mo Ghana emram National House of Chiefs
yeah and also so na to go after the last week
ono kasa the personal view and what they buy
also anonymous
National House of Chiefs
the letterhead was House of Chiefs letterhead na you to go after this na House of Chiefs letterhead or the I don't think say on one personal view
it speaks on behalf of personal view because okay say you creating new regions papa the same thing of a year never be break can say be break for home and so he is successful BNC say nyankopon ti ase na safo yehu a eti ase 2020 bibie no ebesi moja ba kokra ensofo na mom ye ka say registration no and this for some mom preso to mom be basabasa ya ready twen omo ye de ya ready me ka me electoral area u begimi wo ho a kwa ye de be fast u betum na America obi no betimi ara be ni sabi nkwasese wo ho ye ready twen omo so omo pese omo eye bibi na gu akufu ado aban animu ase na omo gu Ghana animu ase na omo de yekọ UN omo de yekọ UN omo na eto ya ba mai EU omo na eto ya ba mai enti America for omo ni abato mu ntawantawa omo de aba EU da okay that enti na mle bia no ye swaye mai ne kogu na animu ase en na ma hu se NDC for mo ye mamofo de Ghana omo pe Ghana nkoso se enye omo pen so a ade e beba bia no enye because register ye kan wase before 2016 election no e court ema Supreme Court e kan say omo a omo de health insurance e register any nyina ye nyi omo free me no ka say me de health insurance ne koye me di wo meto aba
ye nyi we free
ye nyi me free enti ye ka say enye credit
ba o ye Ghana ni
ye Ghana ni
o say na nya hwe say on the health
Supreme Court no e ruling no so ko mo ye but me with the your friend say health insurance na koye ye nyi me free metimi to aba enti ye ka say register na nya credit boa also mo ti ase
me da say honorable Bernard Ajimai and Motinika Emilia from Aswase or say it saddens my heart to see this country turning into something else. Freedom of speech have been thrown to the dogs under the human rights lawyer. If the previous administration was to be doing this, then most men of God whom I called men of God wouldn't have had mouths to speak against the Electoral Commission. JM, kick out Nana, Bawumia and Co. Greetings to all social democrats. Well, we say, turn my eyes away from the wordless things, preserve my life according to your word. When I read this, I become so happy because with NPP and the other political parties, we are doomed. OPK goes so. I say the CI 126 has now given way for the Electoral Commission to compile a new voter register. So all NPP members and patriotic Ghanaians should go all out on 30th June and register. Come December 7th, also vote for the visionary Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo for 4 more years. 4 more to do more. Regards to Mr. J. Mensah Kosa, incoming MP, Techiman South constituency. Okay. DJ Omale and YOC go so. The NDC and the minority should go to court if they think what the EC is doing is against the constitution, or better still, they can advise their members not to register when EC starts the registration on 30th June. Regards to Honorable Martin Ejay Kosa, incoming Techiman South NPP MP. We say our Biposo Bernard, keep on firing, watching you live, Kumawu TV. Please, I want to ask the NPP rep that since they came to power, apart from free senior high school, which one other scholarship, what have they done? I swear I can do better than Nana Addo. Okay, you didn't. My next time, my dim running na you might take more beyond me ever. Right? My call Adams. So Adams, new voter register. And then the John Domani Mahama NDC Eka and their family success.
New voters register. I want to say some Australia Ghana. Say, and yet this is not the first time. The electoral commission has to go for the new register. I hope so 2012 it happens. Now, consider paying Anna Ghana best be there free. Sa new register on sense. Say Oshaya CI 126. I'm say and then mature. Enra, sorry. Now and Oshaya a lot of minorities. Akasa after that I was a minority now call for the Omoguatanase on that committee. After that now on a press conference actually almost side of say almost supported the new register. After that now majority studio on nearby. Sir, so sure the electoral commissioners previous now they be because ever since your name man starting well a lot of controversies will bring. So okay, Afarijan Brenna. Afarijan conducted election or down the Bia, you see Afarijan. Say every opportunities of power. They criticize Afarijan. Say Afarijan MPP and what declare about MPP. Not a wabble team bring. And this time the same thing happens. Namia don't see any a member in Never Manus Mura when you say Mukaka. And the day Madame Charlotte said bye. The most I got for you in Suyandia. I'm ready, Charlotte said bye. There was a lot of issues upon issues. Say, Mammy, not why this in Emma, you coma, my pictures be popular crab. Here, say, or contested prime minister or MPP and this Muda.
Which was not true.
Which was not true.
And wasn't true.
That means now, Mammy, no. You are painting the some way, or because he was appointed by NDC government. And a lot of issues in the target man of a conducting election. Yamiado will be successful. Madam Jane Abba, a DNSC, I saw a new register. I hope say Article 45 from the say electoral commission. I will point say a new register. But a new register in the can say a very review. Which means say materials in be touch more they bet him year they bet him limited registration by Ankasi and wipe all the register no newly one and then I did chaos in it and send about my mua now I mean I can say about Bernard Mon and this chairman enkasa ma nana abuta minua ye nyina sabi yeti oman mu ai menyi ni say NDC fo nko na criticize new register how just civil societies akasa Council of State omo kwan omo fa so omo kire omo adwene and I hope say there are a lot of leaders omo do omo anu atu religious leaders ni bi so comment enti say ekoba say minua yi ka say she says or say a new register no and I need this phone call so na support say me new register minua say why elections and also what connect even limited registration now share coin first limited registration now oh if I new register you can one I have a problem on say the date now I share 1 month I dey buy new register no very problematic so I share last limited registration number of days somebody mind for limited registration 2 weeks we need more than that pack here for that pack meeting after that pack meeting it na so on challenge forms we need your process it was more than 1 month I need a limited registration you see a very new register electoral commissioner as at April or my say for the 10 days and a very new register.
10 days.
10 days. And we share
at each polling station.
At each polling station.
Good.
Se see our my 6 days.
Yeah.
We know Busa say se see ya buy no. You see my the nema ye di be gina so a obetime ade register as a voter. Your article 42 no so say Ghana need be 18 years and above. Or a sound-minded person here. Or wakonya say or register as a voter. To say you heard the Supreme Court outcome, I don't want to predict say the Kasa and ask me the predict on what Supreme Court edibeba. But when you share quite a fast card, or Ghana, I hope say more than 2 or 3 cars. Use as a mine. They say card I'm say a ECOWAS card and answer a Ghana card. Sasa mna chiri imagine card card e be dina so e be to e be new register NID no voters ID sorry national Ghana card and answer a ECOWAS card because o see nya clear so we know here there was time a process no go for be register ya say we know omunya Ghana for ya ti sanse mni be
register there
omu register Ghana card e say no omunya Ghana
yes correction said you register no when you Ghana near your man the card ni be your man no your choice say we non Ghanaian
that's it
when you a citizen of this country
it's been
indicated on the card
and that the me who say we say when you Ghana ni I no non citizen na the yen who so e and do you think say obi an ekuta Ghana card where Ghana ni okuta Ghana card na
not really
adentina o say ba say obi a wonye Ghana ni masa enne me no ka say si e pese yi obi o we Ghana ni pa a me no ka say ni this enkola na e wo mo foforo no this enkola na e wo mo foforo no ana woni
okay
say you ka obi a citizen of Ghana so onim say nya de ba ku mienu ni ejina so ka say we a citizen of Ghana hwe emra na e wo dialogue meeting na obi a challenge obi on voters ID ana woman ni buy oba na e committee e tena ase na ebusa woman say obi di one basa wonya Ghana na we Ghana ni no jina ho e ana esa busa we Ghana ni Africa sa na ma ye interpreter man obusa asem o kan ni say o Ghana ni na aha na ye wo no ana o ko school ye bibia wa ha say na wonu say notness o mo ware ntem nti em say ware na around 18 years ana nipa ne ne kotena ni je nti ni je na watena saa nti wa ni kuno ana wa back to Ghana nti saa nipa ne bae no ana wa be register until chi this a house and casa foforo ampa ye nya obi ma ne be gina na na mu confirm say wa Ghana ni so ya challenge no nti saa situation we say dey na be kire say ebi be happen ai be tima di na nipa na na say di na nipa ne say wa Ghana ni ana wa Ghana ni voters register they say who wants ma beda ho ye na ye say nka Ghana ye benya credible register yen na be before raise issues say NIA card we no ikura kan sorry NHIS card we no yakan NHIS card no I hope say e go Supreme Court aburo madane Gary Numako de e go Supreme Court my orders say electoral commission no engo cleaning omo register with NHIS card now only say electoral process in start here from 1A wow register with card B apart from birth cert ni na indicate also say ni pass me card way and register and wow this card and register say e ba say and asem bi ba ho pe sa forms ni e kodan ni ahwe mo de sa from 1A no to say be obi or the birth cert and obi or the different card and register ni akohwe ni e ni dia free and I hope say KPIMG for and I share omo say omo ko clean sa enema ni free results of the brain so my clean up exercise I'm on my microphone free me no ya clean
omo so want me anyini na
omo so want me no but we do no they say as I see am no cause they say almost 28,000 e wo echi a o say clean me no say you go clean say 28,000 na and do 1% impo and do you think say you go clean we no and my say any new register na Sandy for 26,000. See, clean no free man. Do you think even for omo KPIMG for ni omo di free no? Ye momo akonya momo say register you. Say am I 6 days here fine. So from 30th to 30th of next month. Say am make say makwa police station. Me no my fan say yes say uni NHIS card NIA card na uni birth passport unti me register. This is two guarantees. Say America say what by me my beji no say no nipa say mesi wonye Ghana ni ma challenge no do you think say very release card na ma yeah man card so nim sa
some run no what challenge dia
yeah man card because say you be registration which is 1 month it is 1 month na chi no say or say ya kwatena say na hwe the reason why ntia ya mfa ne card na ma no say ma deny the right ya consider say animal we nyina me am bet na say bebe gina say me challenge obi no say nipa ba ku bia ba no the guarantors too e ba na o me gina say nipa say me so Ghana ni me ne go for me bro ma bet na Ghana mu a o mo ne o be ka twiti say dem me no kan o obebu be akira ase
na na pere o kan na say yentimi enya a credible register da na
ye register na e be bloated ye register na enya credible because untimi kan tell me say sa newly register na ebe no obi obe register na say Ghana ni bi obebam bia no ana ebe ka say Ghana for nyina 100% of obam abra foreigners in bam that's my question
is it enya den
say they all say any say time no so one time near the registration so because say we no limited registration Ghana say see e ka say ebe ya as at April na make electoral commission abema a date on 18th of April no ka so the newly register we need a baby plan and it was somewhere November. They say oh June. We need a register more than 17 million plus.
But almost a bit me a year. I am that benefit.
Yeah, balloting. So we now went to the outcome of balloting. First day, Western region 72 native register. The second day, brother, and that means the machine here. So what you say? Machine here, the year man. Until we now want to have me know what say. What did you say machine? They be able to do say the boy
okay.
Machine it me breaky.
Right,
because it happened so many times. Machine boy, maybe I don't support the new register because even the time factor is a problem.
Okay. The statement is excellent John Dramani Mahama I'm making it now. Who is saying
former President Mahama as we did train what to go over park so I hope say it happen on 24th or about 2016. A day na John Dramani Mahama, former president. Ne sushi ya na say adwempa and adwempo be na all bo say the bear Ghana e beti mako elections on peacefully. Because we're former president. And I hope say former presidents in the obi akasa on the new register. A day na ehu ama bi mu say as a new register a very election. A day na go fast perception now. Now me see in the comment now I hope say all encouragement na me free no because baby adri I confirm say new register be because parliament I'm ready see I na koto on and mature sorry and mature any see I na dey call parliament do you know say parliament new right say even full stop cry what see I no bet ma be free and it takes to test of parliament and the best support on that CI no and I hope say MP go to test no oh yeah and there's no way the number of minority leader the statement now was it they came in their numbers
to vote
but they know say apart from 96 member of parliament currently
right Mamana Semasai Abba Isaiah Man Ventures Chronom opposite market or say the pastor deserves to be arrested because threatening to kill is killing threatening to kill is killing and a blind man said he would throw when a blind man says he would throw stone on you meaning he has put his leg on it already. Let's be careful with some of these comments. Regards to Dr. Isaac Yao Opoku, incoming MP of Fenso South constituency. Citizen Francis Ediawade Abba or say kudos to national security for arresting that fake pastor who threatened to kill the electoral commissioner. Unfortunately for him, there was weed in his possession. Let's support the electoral commission in compiling a new voter register. Or say buy one get one free. Nanaya Manfo also from Atebuwa maintain the integrity of the electoral commission is gradually going down. I don't trust them anymore looking at comments they have made so far. Nana Kwame Mensa Busu Shaka Ahafo Ntotroso. If the NDC thinks they are the only people in the country, it is a joke. If it's not going their way, it's not the mind of Ghanaians. New register is eminent. Regards to Yao Buni, incoming MP for Asutifi South. Teacher Kujo Tepa Minasuso. All these lecturers who signed to caution the electoral commission board are all NDC people. There is no wonder they signed this document. The fact that the lecturers does not support the compilation of new voter register does not mean that Ghanaians will not support. Why should lecturers who should know better kick against this noble decision? Regards to Honorable S.K. Nyama Kwadaso, Member of Parliament. Right. I am Mr. Tafo, level compilation of new voter register will be Anoko Ilika. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, former presidency. Young here, October Nase, I never find the Amununtu. I think it's not a bad statement coming from him. I never find Amununtu. Say the beyond the bit to know.
That's I say, okay. Now, if so many of my exams today, people are going to buy also say, okay. And you automatically know, I'm going to feel it. I can't prepare the mind and say, Usuadi, now what children of that passing, or says of everybody again. Now, they put this side, we will share the tomorrow. What do you know, Adams, no, I can't feel it. And the former President Jomama election, the Oba also Obuan, who's here. Because at time run up to the 2012 election, you call a Supreme Court. Former EC boss, Mr. African Cassini. What's it say? Opposable winning election. Election will start a day of year registration. Okay. Election winning. You're trading on. That the police state me with the African. Was it the old gun about or a return officer? What travel no one found worship about your bar over. And he said, who I said, and look at the Asama Mr. Samuel as a party chairman. Say, trainer amount for and take part of the registration about you. As a chairman of the party. No, never say, why prepare to be the election? Say, you see the registration, you know, encourage the members to say, about they should take part in the registration. Now we say you can be a take part. As a member, we say we take part here. So go to share with the MP for the campaign. Take it do. I'm going to register you to register. It is a one starting now. You okay? Okay. Say let's say it's a member register also. For the say I'm more come TV. For the TV much now more former Twitter and our in our local. In our more person in charge. Me ba to become a sort of administrator no. Let me the meaning lay down put it to form. Say mama ABCD. And so na be mama baba ye no kuma gudu ano. Aswani. The issue of the mandate. The man it was on Yamaye. The whole nation was say you know institution na mo de medu ano. Documents na mo de ma me no. Me dia duma e because as a new manager, I'm going to this is the only challenge I want. Do you want to allow him or her to wish the old system to fail, or you want to give him or her with the new guy to move the business forward? Okay. Send away. As an entrepreneur.
Now, what they want a chance to operate, so I'm on the coin. Now, also the baby out there. Na oyenso na anyi yinso a eno so ne ebe ne sen
eye modalities no dibu kwa it was see I constitutional man mandate say as a coach former coach a team coach you about to start the whole press in the team one day coach he or she had the mandate to handle the team about player ABCD you know my study work clubs you can't maybe step number 1 team bravo behind set of players. Me na do what them set of players. One day the easy boss. Oba o fe mum. Fe uche brother so Mr. This is really for us say. The people be what someone say. They registered with the NHS card.
On our man the person also
NHS. They never see the register. So you say media as a political party. If you are ready to contest in the election, with or without the register, say what we are, partake in the election process. A former minister, Mr. Eko, speaking about Kasimi, Tamala is for prime minister. Was it the John Mana and then former president John Mana and then put the back? They should bear in mind, he said. 1.5 million people now they vote against him during the 2016 election. They are still in Ghana, so the NC delegation should be careful.
And then the campaigns.
Nabi, Sabi.
And some are Ghana for campaign on penny or tissue. So by you will say.
We chief to say that you are. You know, you go back as part and part of NC because they say share independent. He said, "I travel 1 year." Mr. Adams ne open yi ne be hu ye hu ye you know be a bit for Mr. Adams home come to ka this is a mark nya he election dey say obo bi ni as a political party no the election is no omo no say dey be as omo say just so be ma any say president be as a private boss I work with him ata mo wa kira pe obi wo su no won invite o staff no what people say about you. And then say we are credible or we are not credible. It's a political party, almost say department. We hear research. Say then you call us here. What to be our stand? They know all this thing. Man, tell my MP, I'm calling election. I told one MP, continue or ready to say MPP 20. MPP 2012 election no e dey lose omu lose wa e dey lose because the sitting president in that time no enyuma all ye no e dey say everybody me eliminate for power 2012 I told them I dey say there they say abai ma power you look at no ma abai dey go for don't start put the cost although you some MPP but you so you citizen of Ghana me
a businessman
yes na business say e person say enquire that attack I'm not the counter attack enquire that attack I don't know
On can be here.
Something message of Ghana. About power, no more or the work. Within less than 4 years, man, to go. Look at me, I'm cutting before say. When me chop on before me, this company we know. First time, I won't want to tell before. Okay, no man, or the book man. Because except Ghana buy, I buy that I can say on Premier Ghana. I will say 3 months. Obia fat, water bay, let's bay. If it's that bay.
But some areas you of her, well, be an answer, Ghana water for here. I told soup crew for barely 1 month now. Pipes in flow. I know they are saying.
That was a more mutual complaint. Tana Moody, we are not all that telecom. Yeah, you not any amount. Oh, man, woman, say, we are political party. I told one John, John, or Mama. You see, I know, was I a statement. Yeah. If you would do a muscle, if you 9 and it's on months there. It didn't give you a man. Change the man is your free no. Because what try abandon to pay. Okay. Tell John, say, oh, I wait, man. Say, who would have strong team? Who found a okay. So, who could have strong team out of office team away? It's just a FC Barcelona. I call or say, Aston Villa or back in the mobile Aston Villa fire. Pastor would never look to the referee of the game. Okay. Or strong team. Whichever the referee don't anything. Say, what bone here on the ground? Say, let's you know. Made up for the to do. After the 2016 election, me so baby or one of the GTV person say MC4 some of the MPs or more public utterances and they say they almost see a spy by about 80 seats are cracking. Okay. 80 seats.
That was before 2016 election. After. I told GTV also. Okay. Say NPP then now can NDC then 80 seats. The whole Ghana are cracking. Why? Because the gap between Omone NPP then Orusu Yeno. Happening also NPP for so you disease. Okay. That was our particular controversy. So we want to pay. Anything for me. I honorable Onodusu. Okay. Say more prayer, they might lose more city. Okay. But we should communicate test, body language. Even as of we and papaya. Yeah. That the very more information. See, no matter what we want to be Bema. Bema we move for, and it can be the. Bema we move for. Move for something. Okay, can be. Can be we move for. No. The brave mind on Casabe. The Canada Japan where they. Oh. Can you put the on political activist? Okay, maybe I'm saying about right. You ambassador and my Facebook message can come there, no. Many even few Moses Eugene my show. Francis are there. I said, good job, bro. Please tell the NDC people to keep quiet on the changing of the new on the old voter register. Okay. 7 upon quarting. I say watching you live from box 2, Jamasi Dewu, Honorable Ben, you do all. AJ Hipsy, I say nice show. Bismarck Plaza, I say at what time? In fact, I'm watching you live. Okay, also with me at the Kumaru TV on Facebook. All I care not watch them. I'm faster that and my God's way caskets. And then you have a catch. I say, would ye at the Mansa Kumu? And he said, Odisha be free one. I was so to me, and I'm going to man or your fair. Now, ye didn't come for her piano. Hey, a Dakar would be sinful. A yen babu, ye move the Dakar so. Mamma boy, now ye soon, one, a pejafun near the cock, not a cadena. No answer, we are cannot cook, we are cannot, we are cannot, we are not saying Casanova with you. To be here, Dakar, fair. I be fitty, or Duffon or Uno. Now, wait a dear, Yamiadon, Ghost will say, what the Bob is here, or the free, but the Dakar one, what they are for ye. My mom, Sika, what the bay we are video, and need the Christian channel, or by Yam or Kama. Now, we are a year, that is canon to me. The name you crown. wo de kakra bi kwa ba adaka ni ma da kosi do fo no na me pem wo ya yi na diska na aka no a beto we ene de Godswill manager ede ehye na adofo eno man Ghana so no edumunya mo bra yakọ hu yehia mu under COVID-19 Godswill wo be hu no ewo Kumasi Asafo market wa ena wo liberal about wa odu Kumasi Asafo me ko Asafo liberal about wo ona Godswill casket shop no ewo 0243 737457 0243 737457 offer na obajo so sanso ena Muhiz Herbal Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Ababiu ene die bebia na so mo sayare bebi ba ko pa yare sano ebidro ena ode kan wo na de yare abre wo e Muhiz ono ena 2019 e bona ba so Ghana nyina se ebidro a e de sa edi yare pa no ono ena wo mmode a na eko Muhiz Herbal Center odi manuma so ena wo odi odum bia taxi for no wono a kacha taxi for no se uko Muhiz Herbal Center obodo ba ko na nso akwaje kwayaresa Kumasi odi ena Dr. Muhiz enso so ewo yentwe ho emra sisia ye ba busa empanimfo se enei se electoral commission ekoso wa no ye register na ekoso mo kan o man tumi anya anya ye ne bekoso se NDC for so so mo nti ase no ha no yentwe mo se ne emunya ye na omo aka no kwa ho ya then again John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, former President, say, nurses and teacher training allowance no, or bath, or virtuous. Na all the ama addition from. Yamra says
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
eye yititi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale koko osemami tiane kosokoto papon Midiani PK sa papa Kumasi 1 enra kra ne hu chene jo enso ye dai keep on watching Kumawood TV yeni aye diem yanso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye cake crow
Kumawood TV Amansane yena ye diemu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena ye diemu.
Hi, my name is Safina Harun. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah, there.
TV aba Amansane yena yedimu.
Kumawood Emma Akwaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Fajen Shebra, Ninyamre, and Kenkai, and Fa Emma Ona Eben Tikrum Baro. The same way Akufu Ado and his mafia machinery managed to remove Saroto Say to cook the agenda. Same way will the NDC do to remove Jane Mensah from her office. Tell the NPP man, right? Mafia do more. Okay. So, right. Good evening, Sir Mike. In fact, I like your show. Thumbs up. Please tell the manager to declare his position as Deputy NPP Secretary. Okay. Well, I know it's a politician, is a social commentator, so let's respect his views on that. Well, Mensamra Nafi, Ben, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency free allowance or the man teacher for the next form more issue. We came with you, but some of us are ɔbɔ bɛtɔ so ɔno to do migrate ɔmo nyinaa de akɔ students loan transfer in 2 minutes good news ɛna na Ghana fo nyinaa no ne every for na mo hwɛ sɛ mo fa no ebetumi enya and exactly that is what he says he wished to do.
You say Mike say omampani John omampani dada John Dramani Muhammad me ara me mfa na asem serious.
Oh no, please be serious.
Oh yes, me mfa na asem serious da. Because no just say as a politics no ye no agudie bi agro won ani so. Agro ankasa won ani so omampani dada Muhammad agro won ani so. Ni nsem kan nyina ese joking bi na oye. Amambo no nye joking no. Saa na odi hwe na odi ha na odi ko opposition. Dear can say
yenti
ona woso ana obetwa ade no omampanyi Akufo-Addo eba no woso oba a wode beba musi enye sika ni ho sika be na ho wode beye na nam no mo awi amanaka dompe no so amokọ so amusa de amakraman na obeye na yeye dia afedi ye mamra na oba beto aso na da woso mu se we ye na da na odada Ghana fo na Ghana fo no nyamia ni nam se na Akufo-Addo different education pa ne ye se de wiase na koduru no mutimi ndada obi a sabi obi a oti village kura no akane ni ho no mutimi nkodada no omampanyi Mahama ayese bema sabi ye di oba ma woni na hyede mu adama ade echi wantimi anya ne hwe na ade echi na okoja ne kwaya o se bra memfa mu sana omampanyi Mahama otie itimi memfa na sem serious da because in some kan o kan nyina eye chese why desperate wo huni a wonye ade wo twam na wo se yenye de sika ni wono na ne wo ba ho na pesika ni wo na beto aso
se otwa na mode abando no so ba no san betwa
ye na da ye ma ne ma wona me na eba ebede wo ba enipa na o be duwade no o ka so be ye no wo so wontimi nye ayen disi fosu insurance wontimi nye free education ska wa he yentimi nye me ka say insurance na data na omampanyi Mahama no ye MP omuso le parliament boycott parliament say insurance na dey ba na begu Ghana health system no enitini ade on betena ho ahwema asa ade na koso nti on boycott parliament eso na Akufo-Addo Akufo eba be ye e ma na yeye free education the same thing and on ye o say enye ye ska bia ni ho allowance Akufo-Addo ko first ka we omampanyi Akufo-Addo ko first ka he no de aye ska bia ni ho de be but ya be ya me na ye enti de me kan say Ghana for John Mahama dada no onu a se fuo etonkwa mu a ne ho na efo na ne ho fita de da so ho wako opposition ti e na o yesa etmu ma na e na da Ghana for misremo huma omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama e na da mo na oni bibi papa bia ma Ghana bio do bedi no wadi awie on trend baby
but I see Sami Buachi Asamankesi or say case closed. Parliament has finally gives green light for the Electoral Commission to compile new voter register, and I will entreat each and everyone to go on and register. The BBC journalist asked him, "Have you taken bribe before?" He replied, "As a human being, that is John Mahama for you. They shouldn't go there because we have more to say regards to all NPP aspirants, especially Honorable Sintim Abuaje of Asamankesi." Okay, Honorable Ose Ochiaopa. Well,
Amra, manager, John Dramani Mahama case. Say a good news. So, say that Ghana for you never heard him say, "Oba restore teacher training allowance," and I say, "Oba say we see more health centers so that omu we school many of them for now." On penny ABC 88 plus 6 or so plus 8 making 96. So it means that Obama also to us on a mistake because there has been enough of these health centers and the hospitals.
Okay. Make it does be on penny that John Mahama. A penny sabi Asia in the incheji magine and no other car say utuana say because no election loot brana defeat ope to no akọ no kota bi no say saa di no take no 2016 no amoa no say that should be say unyakonya saba abambie na say oba be restore say be ka enye asama enye de na epelfo bi be say afu bi pen enti ina bo ne de ba agro a na oyi ni ato baby de si na anu nti no ina de edipa ono ese de ono koto da no
so be cry enye na chi ukro ina wotem ina wasa akọ ba say must restore the Ghana for you better take it to judge the Ghana for so ebe the Ghana for so you say aboa no ayesu ye bagro waka but you need the baby because you na no nya tumi no nya tumi a tumi e de shepa ba oman so e ma oman mu for obi a wotom ye fa tumi e meyi shepa e ma awokire ma ti ma mu fo so so ye oman pani na so ko di ade a policy a ema etimi you be free odiem eko abapa odwa so no sa policy ni free because before I obetwa teacher necessary na was no you know education go so o mayen look at the students there they were crying out but that time no one person say o je obia won tie
but he gave reasons and then the reasons was not sounded well in your
yes what guy before the year na one fa ayi amusisi kwasi na dan wi
reasons na ndaso ni ho ana
Ghana no bibia jimi 10 overnight we say tata musa na yo obi kro kwa so ni ye ana ya nya emefo nyina akatu ya ntwa say na ediko ye obi kro kwa enye possible ti be bia wo to no aman because maybe na many students be ko after all we trace so I'm a brother and sister
okay
you know to me ya kon rua train college at the same time it's not a few year you know almost say allowance in the bar almost be to no feel no we get we no
those are gone are the days
oh me what's no coffee na mo na so the pia omnya kwa no omnya kwa rua train teacher training mo no allowance in the flow no wajia no bi haje no mo na mo twa mu no wow mo fo and say what said actually so nya kwa en ba na so ba ya enye adebone na si ana konya so de this is your kuna libre si akonya no ba o se ko tero sisa no o ka che se no fo mu shem no bi atro di se wa atro di a akonya nya ba ya no so tana
okay Meba Amo right from Hohoi. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please let the NPP understand that His Excellency former President under his regime he was trying to build hospitals. Now Akufo-Addo's government is giving allowance, but most of the institutions are picking less students than they used to pick. So which one would you prefer? To stay at home without not going to school, or to go to school? Okay, I say regards to Nana. Okay, my name Nana no award here. Well, I say from Masaudu in Bantima, was Mahama not the one who made different speeches in 2015 that the EC was an independent body and have the discretionary powers under our constitution to make decisions independently? What has changed all of a sudden? New register is a must. That's the only way to ensure credible elections. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng Jacobu DCE. But my memory na pe massive dakar me nyifu na yem kwa ma so. Oje so wetumi asande about 0543 596 070. We are live on Facebook, Kumalu TV, and then on YouTube is Sam Darkus TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments are welcome, and then we will share it to our numerous viewers. Yes, Adams, let me see on.
Jewra John Dramani Mahama, former president. But try you 10. A legislation. Say no who say nursing training allowance, teacher training allowance. Na edini. And I did the another pasudema, the nursing training and the teachers training. Osha tem bia no ade bia ekoma government institutions and asa ekoma timamfo bia no. Sabi ayana they taking it that serious. We say politicians and member of parliament maybe musika bi allowance bi or say bo mo side. Ananka ankwa meni ni say nke da so ti o mai mu abra de bi anko so. We say Osha say again na si ama John Dramani Mahama former president as abaka say o person restore. I hope so can say obemo mu students loan.
Yeah, gradual with the students loan comes in.
Students loan not to say ya amount allowance na to say students loan on the bureau. But I hope say one two nanum to say o twam kura. But o can be say o person o pushy because also building a lot of hospitals. But say one kati e ho no one person can be build the hospitals in schools are. The number of students now omoba every year libya no omoba chire wo. And I hope say one make that statement you say or cut it off the students loan. But a good idea say what me adan ne ho a wo ho say pass there more because obian him say enu anu ko nursing training na den a e wo kakra ni sabe kan obetimi dia to ne niema ne books mu ne enema kakra bi obehia on school no the eyema no say obenya na minua hwe sa students loan ni and I sorry teachers training allowance ni nursing training allowance me de ka be me de say ya na na do e kan as a promise wo di so me de fi say senke be ba say aban ko a lot of promises your back campaign for that I said you are right to me say asem na no ode nso ye de shebo ma ye sabi timamufo ne say munye gidie o eni ye ba ene ma ye pese ye na say ebe ba say ye be toa so na sabi enuan because to be honest emra ye yi allowance we free on I quite remember say
now this one
teachers training wo roundabout refugee school Louis minister no call that was former deputy minister
okay
Wesco sorry Wesco me I we have video na say from now reho because of allowance na ye free on and he said John Dramani Mahama atweneni ahwe say oh say beboa na say betimi di aboa enuanu mo just training ni nursing training na say beso so mo se na mo matimi agwa because na wanyu mo ede it is a restore here we are mo na say bi me ma me ne papa mo fio say bi o ye bodua we are and the school boy di ni na say o matimi di kakra bi atoto mo ho ne ma enko ede ni mo na say wo hu say empaso die wo na say ono so be restore na election yeko obi am predicting na obi a odidi say the party very PNC enti me here hu film say very in 2020 because me tie bob side obi a wona dwempo say MPP very in APC very
right
but yet me ni PNC dream say PNC betima afa akonya 2020
right mama mi ahoma na ntum obetimi afre from now 0200603602 0200603602 egu screen na ebetumi afa number no afa na ofra ti ohun ofun na lower the volume set of your TV ni ente onka my host good work done may God richly bless you NPP man long live and prosperity NDC should plan for 2074 but not now from anointing king Ghana inside Libya Tripoli. My greetings goes to Honorable Yao Afo, MP for German South constituency. Okay, anointing. Yeah, so we say I think Ghanaians should be wise to engage themselves into the voters register, ID card, voters ID card because it's very important. From Frank Achi. Akem Oda South, and Frank, so Eddie every ever. We say, okay,
Nana, I think I've read your message. I'm going to so now pick my course. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Okay. Hello, good evening. I'm here to work. What are you afraid of? Look at that friend. Your friend Daniel, look at that friend Libya. Libya, Daniel and you. It's better. Okay, I think Daniel Messiah preview. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello. Hello, good evening. Okay, please, Mr. Flood is killing us, and they don't want to spend money. Hello, sir. Yes, good evening. Good evening, Mama Chapa. I'm a better friend. Na mimi akase fi Libya de na menche Libya funya na sape a wotie ya mechapa. Okay. Na ora jamba mani mahama e babo na baso papa me babo na baso. Say mu bi na yepe because akukudra na papa no de akasa no mani ache ho pa because amafo fi se bi o yesu bi anyina mantino e se bibia ne o mu bu fa yeso. Mimi anti comment ro wa ma no mani ache ho because kanya sapa o shase kasa sana kananya nje ma amene sori ado pe na opeso ye no kuma o ti so pase ye ko sala enti se na ID kanya o be hwe ni egu se na nya papa ntie ye na me jiri se ne ma pa o de atugo agwenu enche be bo da ru me da se me da se that hello good evening. Hello good evening. Odi ya free good evening tamai. Odi ya free Mebacho nana kwame mesa bo to shika na ka say happen to person shika minti onime so nice onka ni na nko wi NDC na minim adekora NDC for omo na sa organa ha she we talking about you are supporting mass registration but kind of voter register new one they won't support it. If you want to be so more there, they say you are creating new agents. If you new agents and code them your demo, number them your demo. And I say so, NBC for while you are moving co-user, and we are foreign your voters be mobile to Obama NBC for. Now only you say and no so. Let's have to go down to the end of the month. It is out there. So you can't be a voter register now. The more according to me, Togo, any other West African countries, and a trouble. It is a coca, and they are doing okay, Sugar, you're nasty. Hello, good evening. We are not to say, I had to be away in so and so. You didn't have free. If I went to where I'm spoken to na they share anything to what country. But I'm not sure my wife now and can you? Never to that. Yeah, uncle. Given nothing than here can say. If Mammy came myself, yes, Treno. Ghana, any deal. Ghana, you know me, dear. Until Ghana for almost 85%. If you turn on what you mean to what? I didn't know all check after the fact. The check, the president will have put into the is Washington. It's all your favorite Famanana. Then I told the guy that you here. Give me the call. You make serious to make it. Many Ghana passport in you. Ghana passport in Nippy. Ghana card in Nippy. In 2010, nothing in Pina. Ghana system court of mechanical part of the president. In 2010, in Ghana. This was how much idea. Nothing to them from who let you. Okay, you're not saying I'm 40. Good evening. Hello? Hello? Yeah, you're afraid for you. My party from Congress, the do finish so. Okay, Congress into. The Mike, and you remember what I couldn't make a tell with that moment. Let me try to do so. Let me check doctor from the phone. That's a Mike, so I wouldn't send this for you on my way down.
It is our idea, but then so Tiabu too. If I'm a national security now, I'm catch on my prima say, as Santa Maida say, I wonder if you should a Cassan, Nami yes or no. Yeah, as Santa May, NTC, the candidate, campaign, may above one so, and the name you need to do that battery. So, Mike, when the electoral commission review a remote. Mammy, we end the security say, I'm on my prima now to down. Shall confirm the new movie. She taxi drivers, let auto drivers. She sacrifice for moving of COVID-19. One who taxi drivers for let auto drivers from a ball. What's here to put him? And my son confession in the new near the co-committee. A church of my bring a coup for the popular way. Shall my bring a web and the day Nella shall my near out here come. Shall what trap of every home.
You're not seeing for it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
Your friend is Solo.
Solo refrain.
Me free the fight.
Solo into you.
Me chia on the Obega phone na the mic. You ready? That was the media more. President, former President Mama na better me can be edited no. The way a better than pana. They are not getting more pie that cassette. Dear, what the chat demo, make what walk the mouth, let's have bra. I saw me done the restore. Young kite could have only a kite. The woman kind a car say. Yes, insurance, no, one time premium. So, one more opposition, not to woman a year and kick up. You think, Mark said, and that the Ghana for year from sure, yet for by the manual. And I guess any yes, near you get through a man, and I said, that's all 110 or call.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, Leonasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, you are free.
Actually, friend is
if I don't know, you what's your process? Libya, ain't you?
The message I want to say, but thank you, and I do my say, yes, and I'm one I used to track. Like baby, what I've been one for one fact on my gun, and I will say I too much. They come at them solo. Easy for them, I want Ghana for a papa for the Ghana for the Saba. Because after the Ghana, we are NBC. Emma J. Nico we are coming any will be a young manka. But 4 years past, your day, Charlotte, Yatendi, they say we are one bay. In the middle, you are Mahama, better you need to move into the parliament. He will be designed GPR. Or yes, you will be bad and yes, I don't say, yeah. Mecca after it will move, let us go for the back.
Yeah, that's it. Good evening.
Good evening, sir, Mike.
Good evening, you are free.
Yeah, I keep you because
Manaso Akra, your voice not compare.
Hello.
Yeah, also didn't you have free.
They feel free to show much.
31 ain't you?
Papa, the Ghana. I say, you might mean now. So, Papa, the man, take your memory. Kufa the day, I want to buy one. And now, we say, Kufa, but it's number I think. Free me na no no be oba na what allowance apa ya ba be kan why e na da na ho papa ya tu papa ono a
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. If I tell you your phone, now lower the volume of your TV set. Good evening. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Mother.
Yes, we are free.
But I'm from Jonathan. First is Priscilla.
Jonathan, ain't you?
Okay, I didn't want to see if you better cheer Ghana for me now. The order game only about to cut Ghana for me other the only one. I didn't hear what you want to see better. I feel like treat Ghana first and send our the issue. With the friend and mistress, when you are ready to go to Ghana, it is a easy. You're not doing there. Look about people go there your money here. How about the woman? If you want to drop on your kid, you want to say you dead. If you want to call, you have better. Right.
Okay, yeah, far free phone is here. I'm na. I say, more mama, I say, yeah, mama special line. And I said, "Dig you high." I said, "The German one." Now I'm free outside neighbor. Now complaints and whatever now. I'm saying no she. Ghana for no. If I didn't know, right. I say good evening. Hope all is well in Jesus' name. Say, I can tell you that NPP and EC are telling all Ghanaians that only them are Ghanaians. NPP and EC, fire will burn you all from heaven. If we so any ample for the other, I think more messages I couldn't read. Even I say NPP government start voting yourselves out of power because we will vote you out. Okay, honestly, right. 30 seconds each. Nah, yeah, sorry. Adams, and the crack 30 seconds.
Say Mike, sorry. Say electoral commission. How is she appointed? I think say article 70 was 2 or say international the mass stakeholders, almost 60%. I hope the president Konya so appointed electoral commission. Now oil consultations. Send here the mass stakeholders now involved. The Mumbai 60%. That's a because
reforms. But that's it. Ben.
Sir Mike, there was they may catch Ghana for any NPP for say Mumma Yabamu 2020 no Mumma Enfeni Agro. Say John Muhammad here or can so
on Canada or Canadian
or Canadian any day. Now voter register near Bayan, so will be a fan who shame. The register near to a banner boom and one and a kufuado.
That's it. Benja.
Did it without bill? Said you used to just say 30th of this month. Be registered at one Ghana Libya Odi. If you do a tree, Equan, Nagum down. You should be on cross. You see, be upon your neck. Ghana Libya Odi, if you do a tree, what him down. Cop, no control. Now you're 2 hours, what's watching.
Right. Yena abija fasi say etuensa from the nenso omo abeka ho ora James Safo national organizer credit unions Ashanti regional president credit unions and afi manager Asundie credit union na we boaye sanso na afija secretary east constituency NPP youth organizer deputy youth organizer honorable Bernard Ajimai Techi also by so and Ashanti regional communication secretary for the PNC acting Suli Adams Muhammad also by me say my executive producer Samuel Kabnata producer Bernard Ade cameraman Kobe Frank production manager Ochi Nozo Loretta and Afe so Augustina MCR Ominano so FY very jumadi no etumi everyone nyame adom na adom dom yo chena 4:30 to 6:30 pm yibehia na yesinupi hyene so si yesinupi amagana akoso yesinupi amagana ejina good evening
Kumawu TV Amansane yena yebiem Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yebiem Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV Amansane yena yebiem Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
eye yititi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale bale koko osema mitiane kosokoto papo midiane pike sa papa kumasi 1 enra kra ne wuche ne jo enso yedidai. Keep on watching